What's up, guys, and welcome to the first ever Haole vlog.
Okay, guys, so we moved to Oahu, Hawaii, which is an island in Hawaii, and we are living in the city of Honolulu, and we go to the University of Hawaii at Manoa, and we are originally from Wyoming, and we're doing an exchange program over here.
So we're calling this vlog the Haole vlog because, if you don't know, a Haole in Hawaiian language means a white person from the mainland. This will be a weekly vlog, and we're gonna upload every Sunday.
Our vlogs are gonna be about our daily adventures in Hawaii, which consists of like hiking and going to the beach and doing a bunch of other cool stuff.
And we actually moved to Oahu about 2 weeks ago. We've already done a bunch of stuff around the island. So the rest of this vlog will just be catching you guys up on what we've done since then.
Shaka bra.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place, where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place, where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what
Hey Bree, where are we going today?
The beach, bitches.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place, where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what
Alright, so we hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of the Haole vlog. Make sure to turn in next week for episode 2.
where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream.